and he did nothing. He is our PM. We accept him, okay? He's a good man. He's a good man. He's a Biafra spokesman. We love him so much. Yeah, you understand?
Real.
Yeah.
Love him so much.
Man,
Stampede.
They call us Facebook.
We stand get the bam. We know the shake, you know? We are.
This is Biafra mad. We are upgrading. We are moving on. Very soon we will be writing it to Gentle Mad. Or Biafra mad. Okay? We have gotten our engineer, man. This is Biafra mad. We are moving.
I'm close now. I'm close. I'm close, man.
You see, Biafra is moving, man. He's a Biafra Ishinko. This is Biafra Ishinko. We are moving, man. Yeah, man. See how it's moving. This is Biafra Ishinko. We are upgrading. The God of the land is at work. Trump, your children is moving ahead. Putin, the president of Russia. We are moving. This is Biafra mad. AK, you see cool? Yeah. We are moving. You see how it is? You see how it is? Original. This is cool from Biafra land. He's moving. We are moving, okay? Yeah. We are ready, fully ready for the war. We are moving, man. Okay. This is Ishinko, Biafra land. Biafra Ishinko. Yeah. It's AK Gentle. We are moving. You see the Ishinko? We are moving.
Yeah.
We are moving, man. We are moving. We are improving. We are fully ready. This is Okigwe State. Yeah. Out of the 40 states of Biafra. Leave Nnamdi Kanu. Let peace be in Eastern region, okay? Ladies and Nnamdi, we are not the truth of anyone. We love our people. Trump, we hear you. We hear you. How you have been deporting all those ones taking coffee over there. Let them come down and receive what we are receiving. No, we are in the hell. Yeah. We are in the hellfire here in Nigeria. We are Biafrans, we are not in Nigeria. And we can never be a Nigeria, man. Put them there. Let all those ones come down and see what we are seeing here. Okay? Even now they are up moving around searching for but we will destroy them, we will keep on neutralizing them. We're not afraid of them anymore. But Tinubu, do better thing at the right time, okay? Thank God that the Nigerians are coming back. We are ready to welcome them. So that they will know, they will see what we are seeing. Yes, now. We are ready to welcome you people. Trump, yeah. We hail you. Trump, you are doing the good job. You are welcome. You are doing the good job. This is a Biafra mad. We are fully ready for the war. You see how the thing is? This is Biafra mad.
Very nice.
This is Ishinko. Yeah. It made Biafra mad. Very neat. You see how it is? We have something in brain. That's why these people are holding us. They don't want us to go. What the fuck? Trump, we hail you. Your government, we hail you. Please and please. The European Union released Simon Ekman. He did nothing. He is our PM. We accept him, okay? He's a good man. He's a Biafra spokesman. We love him so much. You understand? Love him so much.
We are real. No, they call us Facebook.
We know the shake.
We are real.
We are upgrading. This is Biafra Ishinko. As you can see. Yeah. We
are here live and direct, and we are real. We are real. We are real. Now we know be there.
You see, we are moving.
No be lie.
We are moving. We are progressing.
No be lie.
Okay. Let them leave us alone. We are not in Nigeria. Nigeria can't leave us. Trump, we hail you. You see how God have been exposing them. So Tinubu, you have a cease 6 companies in US.
Okay. Well, but we don't have anyone here.
The hungers has been killing the people.
Okay.
People has been dying of hunger. You have a 6 companies in US.
Okay.
And the hunger is here wiring people anyhow.
Our money.
Okay, Buhari, this is the reason why you are holding in Amdekalo. Okay, now we know. Okay.
On top of our money.
$5 billion. You stored it at the US. 7.something million in gold. You store it in US.
It's bottom money laundering.
Shame to you people. You people are shameless people. You see how these people are going around storing our money, and the people are here suffering of hunger. Oh, shameless people. Look at what they have been doing. Eastern region, Eastern governors. You have failed. You know the reason why you are keeping in Amdekalo because of what you have been getting in insecurity in the southeast. Now,
we are fully prepared.
Okay, we are fully prepared. You can see this is Ishinko life and direct.
If we know by, we produce our own.
You see it? It's made in Biafra. Oh, listen to it, man. This is made in Biafra.
No, lie.
Yeah, man.
I tell you. If we know by, we produce our own.
We are producing our own today. We are launching it. Okay? We are launching it. Okay? Yeah. Biafra is moving. We are moving. You see it is AK. 49. You see? 49.
If we know by, we produce our own.
Yeah, man.
You know the land.
We are launching it today. Okay. Yeah. We are launching it today. This 2nd of February 2025. Share with this. Share with moving. We can't be afraid of Nigeria. Nigeria is not a nation.
We cannot be afraid no more.
We are Biafrans, okay? Biafrans have made it. The Biafrans is already there before the colonization of the country comes up. You know, these days we say no for the colonization. We are joining our people, Burkina Faso, understand, and all the rest of them. We are not ECOWAS. We don't belong to ECOWAS.
No more.
We are Biafrans, okay?
No more.
Let there.
The European Union released Simon Ekpan. He did nothing. He is our PM. We accept him, okay? He's a good man. He's a good man. He's a Biafra spokesman. We love him so much. Yeah, you understand? Real. We love him so much. Man, stampede. We stand get the bang, we know the shake, you know? We are.